Volume of 3D shapes. Volume of a cylinder. Find the volume of the cylinder. Now remember, volume is the area of the base times the height. So now I've got a cylinder. What is the area of the base? Well, the base is a circle, and the area of a circle is pi r square. So therefore, it's pi r square times height. Pi r square times height. So what do you need? You need the radius and you need the height of the cylinder. Now, if you're an online learner, it is extremely important that you pause the video and you try the examples yourselves. So number 1, look at the example and then try number 2 and 3 before I give the answers. Number 1, write down the formula. Volume is pi r square h. The radius is 3 and the height is 10 centimeters. So use substitution. Use your calculator and the answer is 282,7. And remember, it's cubic centimeters because you've got centimeters times another centimeters. Pause the video and try example 2. Volume is pi r square h. It's pi times 2 square times 15. And that is 188,5 cubic meters. Be careful with example 3 because you've got the diameter, not the radius. So what will the radius be? Volume is pi r square h. It's pi times 4,6 square, well done, times 4,2. And the answer is 279,2. Make sure of your unit, cubic millimeters. How do we use it in real life? Find the capacity in liters of the water storage tank. So the volume is pi r square h. That is pi times 3,1. Remember, we've got the diameter, we need the radius. And that is 120,8 cubic meters. But remember, 1 cubic meter is 100 centimeters times 100 centimeters times 100 centimeters. So 1 cubic meter is 1,000,000 cubic centimeters. And that is equal to 1,000 liters. So 1 cubic meter is equal to 1,000 liters. So if we've got 120,000 liters, well, 120,8 cubic meters, and we round it, we've got 121,000 liters. Now your turn. Find the capacity of the water storage tank. Volume is pi r square h. It's pi times 4,2 square times 3. Remember, we've got the diameter, we need the radius. So that is 166,3 cubic meters. But we would like the answer in liters. So the volume is 166,000 liters if we round the answer, because we know 1 cubic meter is equal to 1,000 liters. So how do we find the height of the cylinder if we are given the volume? Well, we do inverse thinking or balancing. So volume is pi r square h. So if we want the height, we divide the volume by pi r square. And therefore the height is 2,0 meters. Easy, right? Find the radius of the cylinder if we've got the volume. So we start with the formula, volume is pi r square h, and we balance the formula so that we get r alone. So r square is volume divided by pi h, and then we square root each side. So now we just use substitution. Easy, right? So the radius is 0,72 meters. Remember, the only way to learn is to pause the video and to try to find the answers and then to check your answer. Find the height of the cylinder. Volume is pi r square h. So height is volume divided by pi r square. Remember, we've got the diameter, so the radius will be 4. So therefore the height is 1,43 meters. Find the radius of the cylinder. Volume is pi r square h. So r square or radius square is volume divided by pi h. So radius is the square root of volume divided by pi h. Use substitution, and therefore the radius is 0,76 meters.